Today we are going to check some examples of a leaking torch. Here you will first see some examples of a correct purge cycle. First, with a water mist process, you can see a balance shroud on all sides. The shield gas cone also fades away evenly when the gas flow stops. Here is a normal mild steel process. After you change the consumables, you might get some coolant to be pushed out. You see here that there is small amount of coolant that has been pushed out from the torch, but it's not piling up to the plate. The coolant in the parts is pushed out during the purge cycle. Here you see the torch dripping already before the purge cycle begins. This is already a bad sign. Then when the purge cycle begins, coolant is shooting out from the side. During the purge cycle, a lot of coolant is pushed out. After the purge cycle, you can see coolant on the plate. It's easy to spot that it's coolant as it forms as a white foam ring. Here is another example of a purge cycle going wrong. You see that instead of having a nice even shroud, you see water shooting out from parts of the shield cap. Typically the issues are worn or wrong consumables installed in the torch. To fix, replace the consumables. Try also a different cartridge and shield cup. Worn out O-rings, see the separate video about replacing O-rings. Either one of the check valves could also be broken. You will notice a broken check valve by removing the consumables. If the torch leaks even when the consumables are not in place, then the issue is in either one of the check valves. Please see the separate video about the torch head. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.